Let's get straight into it. 1968 C10 Custom. She has a skipped white 421 cubic inch stroker V8. She's on the Holley Terminator X Stealth Max EFI system with trans control. She has an Elderbrock RPM intake, MSD ignition with Pro Billet distributor, Hedman headers, Holley accessory drive, road race fuel cell, air motive in-tank fuel pump, Griffin 4-core radiator, Spall dual electric fans, PTC 4L80 transmission, trans cooler with fans, Eaton True Track Posi with 373 gears, custom drive shaft, updated steering box, Flaming River tilt column, 14-inch sport steering wheel, QA1 tubular control arms, QA1 front sway bar, Beltec front and rear springs, Beltec Street Performance shocks, Wheelwood disc brakes all the way around, drilled and slotted, all new brake lines, Wheelwood master cylinder, C-notch frame, Flowmaster dual exhaust, vintage air, LED lights all the way around, TMI custom door panels, dash pad and visors, low carb brake pedal, throttle pedal, factory GM console, custom radiator, Dakota Digital RTX gauge cluster, Billet Specialty 20-inch wheels. She truly has all the goodies. Let's check her out. This is probably the cleanest C10 I done reviewed on the channel. I only found one spot on her. Frame and floor pan solid. Bed is nicely done. This the one spot right here. Driver side frame and floor pans. Passenger side. Checking out the jams in the lower doors. Interior is nicely done. Dakota digital gauges. Seats nice and clean. Upper dash. Lower. It's one of the cleanest in this bays I done reviewed. That's the 421 cubic inch stroker. She's backed by a 4-speed automatic, power brakes, power steering, AC, serpentine belt system. Absolutely beautiful. Let's start her up. Y'all make sure y'all go over and visit rollingmuseums.com. Got over 100 detailed photos. We have financing available. I'm gonna put all the contact information in the description below. Thank y'all for watching. Y'all have a good one.